In this session, we look at the solar system sizing, determine power consumption, the best way to determine your power consumption, the inverter sizing, understanding the system voltage to use, understanding system loads. Now, I give an exercise on this. Some of you did it. That's very impressive. So, the appliances you want to power, the quantity you have, the power rating, you always see this at the back of your equipment. Check your equipment, you should see the power rating. What about if you don't see the power rating or it's cleaned up? You can get the name, punch it into Google. You should be able to see the power rating of such equipment. But in the case whereby no name, no power rating, then you can assume a value for that. Also, the total wattage is the product of this and this, the hours of usage. This is for your discretion. The watt hour will be this multiplied by this. So please sum up this. When you sum up this, it will help you to know how, because we need this total wattage to size our inverter. So this is a guide for load rating. You can have other loads. Okay, I said I want to tell you about the best way to determine your power consumption, and that's what we'll be doing now in this lecture. Most times people just count bulbs, count fridge, fan. Most of these equipment are not used at the same time. And for you to get the actual consumption, real-time consumption, you need to monitor your energy. So this is an energy monitoring device. It's here in Nigeria. You can rent it. The cost per day is 5,000 naira. You can rent this meter for your client, you place in their distribution board so that you can actually confirm their energy consumption in real time. So this you can plug in any way you want to install a solar system, maybe for 3 days, so that you can fully understand the pattern. So this is the best way to get your power consumption. You have to monitor it. You have to monitor it. So if you can monitor the power consumption, you will be able to get an accurate design, so to say, because if you do the manual counting, it will you can oversize the system because you are not using the exact load condition. And most times you may not get clients to for your work because anytime you use the manual, let me say the bill is too much because there's so much assumption. But this clears your assumption